everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I made this mermaid guest book using the most amazing holographic vinyl. So firstly, I need to create the SVG file for the Cricut. You can use Cricut Design Space to create your design, but I always use Adobe Illustrator because it is my software of choice and I can modify the design in certain ways that you cannot do in Cricut Design Space. Now that my design is finished, I go ahead and save it as an SVG file. In Design Space, I upload my SVG and then add it to my canvas. I'm going to change the colour here from black to pink just so I can see it better on the screen. The material I'm using today is Cricut's premium holographic vinyl, so I choose that option. I also make the pressure more as I find the default pressure doesn't cut enough, and then in turn it's hard to weed. From here I go ahead and cut out my vinyl. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this guest book. If you have, please give this video a like, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and as always, I will see you guys next time.